On a quiet farm, where the sky was always cloudless, lived a farmer dressed in red. One day, when the sun was just beginning to rise, the farmer woke up to the sound of a rooster crowing. He got out of bed, looked out the window, and the sight of the farm in the morning light reminded him of how much work life in the country required. This joyful singing meant one thing: it was time to feed the chickens. He knew that the animals, although not very demanding, always looked forward to their morning meal.
Located in a picturesque valley, our farmer decided to build his own tractor. He had dreamed about it for a long time, wanting to have a machine that would be not only functional, but also unique and created exclusively for him. On the first day, the farmer started work. He gathered all the necessary parts: engine, wheels, gears, fenders, ladders, muffler, hood, cabin, and lots of screws and tools necessary to assemble his dream tractor. Finally, the assembly began. First, the frame to which he attached solid wheels. Every screw was carefully tightened and every element precisely placed in its place. Then it was time to install the engine. The farmer knew that this was the most important part of the tractor. The next step was to install the tractor cabin, fenders, steering wheel, and all the other necessary parts. The farmer took care of every detail, painting the tractor in a beautiful deep green color that blended perfectly with the nature surrounding the farm. About 3 agricultural machines. The fertilizer spreader, seed drill, and cultivator are 3 key machines that work together to ensure healthy plant growth in the field. The fertilizer spreader spreads nutrient-rich fertilizer that strengthens the soil, making it more fertile and ready for new seeds. The cultivator then turns the earth over, mixing the fertilizer with the soil, which improves its structure and aerates it, preparing ideal conditions for sowing. Finally, the seeder sows the seeds with precise precision, ensuring that they are evenly distributed and deeply rooted. These machines working together is essential to guarantee abundant and healthy harvests, showing how important cooperation is in agriculture. Okay, so let's get these machines ready. At the beginning, the cultivator drives, moving strongly and stably across the field. Its powerful teeth dig into the soil, breaking up clods and mixing it to improve the soil structure. The cultivator busily turns the soil over, aerating it and preparing ideal conditions for sowing. Each pass creates an even and soft surface, ready to receive the seeds that will soon be sown by the seeder following closely behind. Then it's time for the seeder, but first it needs to be filled with corn seeds so that it can spread them evenly over the field. This is a key stage in the sowing process, which requires precise operation because it determines whether the seeds will be placed in the soil at the right depth and with the right spacing. Make sure that the seeds are dry and clean to avoid problems with the seeder mechanism. After filling the device, you can start working, making sure that the machine moves along previously designated sowing lines, which will ensure even distribution of plants in the field and optimal conditions for their growth. Finally, it's time for the fertilizer spreader, so we start filling it with the appropriate amount of fertilizer, in accordance with the planned dose for a given field. This is an extremely important stage that aims to provide plants with the necessary nutrients that support their proper growth and development. Care must be taken to ensure that the fertilizer is evenly distributed, which prevents nutrients from being too concentrated in one place and lacking in another. Before filling the spreader, it is worth checking the technical condition of the machine to make sure that all mechanisms are working properly. After completing this activity, the spreader is ready for work, and we can start fertilizing the field, which will significantly affect future crops and plant health. After the field is prepared in this way, our corn will have optimal conditions for growth and development. Thanks to precise sowing of seeds and even distribution of fertilizer, the plants will have access to the necessary nutrients and water. Preparing the soil provided the appropriate structure, which will allow the corn roots to develop freely and draw the necessary substances from the soil. Now we can hopefully expect that our crop will be healthy, strong, and produce abundant harvests. It is also important to ensure proper hydration and protection of plants against pests and diseases in subsequent something together. Maybe a kennel for our dog, a small roof structure, usually made of wood or metal, which serves as a shelter to provide the dog with protection against unfavorable weather conditions, such as rain, wind, snow, or excessive sunlight. Okay, let's get to work.